How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we open the Facebook app, make sure that it is up to date. If not, go to your App Store and Play Store to check if it is updated, and this is to ensure that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and click on Facebook right here to open it. And one note that you should be keeping in mind is that this only applies to pictures that were once your profile picture. So let's just click on our profile right here from the menu page. Click on your profile and click on your profile picture right here, and then view profile picture. So for example, I'm just gonna swipe to the left, and for example, I want to set this particular profile picture again without losing its likes. So as you can see, it has 10 likes currently. Let's just click on, I'm just gonna swipe down and close that window. So what we're going to do is click on the profile picture again and click on select profile picture. After that, make sure that the picture that you will choose is under the profile pictures. If you choose from any other sections right here, it will you will lose your likes, and it will not show the same amount of likes as your profile picture before. So make sure that you select only the photos from this particular album that says profile pictures. Just click on more to see all of your previous profile pictures. And since I want to choose this particular profile picture again, and I want to set that without losing likes, just click on that. And you can just hit on save, and you can also uncheck this button to not share your update newsfeed, but I'm just going to keep the check icon like that. I'm just gonna click on save right here, and let's see if I didn't lose the likes. So just click on the profile picture and view it, and as you can see, it did not lose the likes. So again, this only applies to pictures that were once your profile picture, and that is how you can change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.